Hey there, welcome back to Infinity. I got an interesting project going today. I often get bits and pieces from people, and they say, "Hey, can you do something with this?" Or, you know, this. I've got something that's broken and can't be fixed, and you know, do you want it for scrap for something? And I usually say yes, because you know, who knows what I'll make out of it, and a lot of stuff sits around for a while. Anyways, a while back, I got this old broken clarinet from my buddy Mike, and I said, yeah, I'll maybe do something with it, I don't know. And anyways, what I thought I'd do with it is, I think I'm going to turn it into a lamp. And I don't really know if it's going to work out, but I'm going to give it a try, and you guys will see how it turns out. So, first off, I got a clarinet, an old clarinet, and there's a piece of maple burl that I cut out on the bandsaw. I'm going to use that as a base, and I'm going to take it out to my wood lathe and do a nice make a nice base out of it, and we'll see how that works. And then it'll stand up like this. I'm gonna make up a little cap for where the lamp post goes down. This is one thing I like about my Langmuir Systems little Crossfire plasma table. This little cap, I just cut it out on my table out of some 14 gauge steel, and it's going to work perfect. I'll just weld that all up there and stick it over top of the top of the clarinet here. This has to be cut down, but I'll put the lamp post in there. There'll be a light up here. I'll do something with that. I don't know what yet, but yeah, that's where I'm going with this. So I'm not sure where it's gonna end up or how it's gonna look, but you guys will find out. So got my TIG welder fired up. It's a little bit noisy, but I don't really pay much attention to it. And I'm going to just tack that cap into place. And once it's tacked in place, I'll do a finish weld on it, and it'll be good to go. I'll clean it up and it'll be good to try out. Full disclosure, I'm not a super good TIG welder. I just don't practice enough, but good enough to get the cap on there, and it'll be good enough to for this project. We'll clean it up, paint it up, look awesome. Yeah, that should do it. Slight change in plans. I got a request to make 100 of these bad boys for the local Rotary Club. Their posts for putting flags into, for a fundraiser for them. And now I've just been delivered this, which I'm going to have to cut up and get ready to go and weld up for them. So 100 of those. So my lamp is taking a little bit of a back seat now. So, but I'll get back to it soon. Not a problem.